Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure to use Expedia Price Guarantee. Now, Expedia offers price guarantee primarily through hotel price match policies and the flight price drop protection programs for selected members. In order to use the hotel guarantee, submit a claim with a lower price, the same property, room, or a date found online before 12 a.m. on check-in day as well. So, hotel price guarantee or price me, you must be one key member, and the lower rate must be for an exact same hotel room type, date, and currency, including tax and fees as well. You could also submit the Expedia price claim before or form before 12 a.m. local time on a day of check-in. Provide the URL and a screenshot of a cheaper rate as well. And if approved, you will receive a refund for a difference in price as well. And for a flight price drop protection, you must be gold and a platinum one key member or travel who purchase specific flight with this feature as well. And booking an eligible flight in Expedia app. If the price drop on Expedia before you depart, the difference is automatically deposited as one key cash after your trip concludes, or after your trip is finished. So that's how you can use Expedia price guarantee. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.